Sensor optimization for do-it-yourself heat pumps. With a do-it-yourself air-to-water heat pump from an inexpensive air conditioning system, the optimization of the sensor technology is crucial for good function. Take your chances and have a look at the book. As the control of the do-it-yourself air-to-water heat pump was designed for an air-to-air concept, the adaptation of the outdoor sensor to the air-water conditions is particularly important. By means of an ohm measurement, the data diagram of an external sensor becomes visible. The measured values can be used to generate temperature increases by means of a resistor. With an inexpensive temperature switch, the temperature transmission of the outdoor sensor to the controller is increased by a few degrees at low temperatures by switching the resistor on and off. You can find these and many other examples in the book. You will find the link in the description below. Closed-loop controls without programming language, you will also find this link in the description.
Montepree@gmail.com